changing the line spacing in Word can help some learners to read the text a bit easier. So the first thing you can do is just go up to the spacing here, which is just here, and there's some options for you to change. So that's one way of doing it. You can finely tune the spacing just in here by altering the adjustments just in before and after. That's another way of doing it. But I find that the easiest way to do it is to use keyboard shortcuts. So the first thing I'm going to do is press the Control key and A to select all the text. So Control and A selects the text. Now I'm going to press Control and 2 to get double line spacing. Control and 2, double line spacing. Control and 5, 1.5 spacing. And Control and 1 brings it back together again. So I'll go through that one more time. Control and 2, line and a half spacing. Control and 5, double line spacing. And Control and 1 brings it back together.